welcome to Talk Free with AM and PM. It is said that it's easy to be an employee, but difficult to be an employer. To have your own business, to run it, and that too successfully. And this is the reason why it is so important to mind your own business.
Well, handling business is a serious work and one needs to be mindful, always alert, grab opportunities at the right time, make things work, be a leader, and also manage so many employees.
In a job, one needs to work for say 8 hours or 10 hours or say 12 hours. But an employer doesn't work according to the clock. He works according to his passion. He works to see his business reach a different level, to new heights.
Yes, an employer is exactly like a mother to a newborn baby. Just cannot leave it. It is a risky affair to have one's own business. But as we say, there is no gain without risk. If it is risky, it has its own perks as well. But one thing is for sure, one has to mind his own business and not poke into others' business.
Yes, that is the first rule of business, mind your business. Well, AF, this reminds me of a dialogue from Race 3, our business is our business, none of your business. I
Right.
wish people actually follow this one in real life.
Yes, people focus so much into what others are doing that they drain all their energy there. Like it is good to keep a tabs on your competitors, to know what they're doing, that analysis, but focusing entirely on them and losing your own track, that is insane.
Also, not everyone has the guts to start their own business. They are happy with their monthly income coming their way, and that's completely okay. It is their choice, and one should do what makes them and their family comfortable.
Correct. Staying in comfort zone, but isn't that a great thing? If you want to grow, one needs to keep exploring themselves, take up new challenges, innovate, be ready to fall, and then again rise like a phoenix. Well, it's not a child's play to run a business. So many people are not living their dreams because they are living their fears.
This is the reason we are here to talk free or mind your business for those who really want to have their own setups, have their own work timing all around the clock and not just at the end of the month, and who wants not just to improve their standard of living but also of others, by giving employment.
Right. And we have a guest who's a perfect example of mind your business.
Here we are welcoming the guest for today, Sharad Nakhat. After graduating in commerce, he went on to become a qualified chartered accountant and a company secretary. He attained a short course diploma in business analysis and valuation from London School of Economics. He started off by teaching professional students all across the country through varied institutes. His primary motive has been to encourage qualitative learning among the students. He then started his own venture, a big leap in his career, where he associated with Mukund Jewelers, a fashion studio in artificial jewelry. And since then, there has been no looking back, and his business has only been growing. We welcome you, Sharad, to our talk free.
Thank you. Thank you a lot, Preeti, as well as Ayushi. Thank you.
Yes, sir. It's a pleasure to have you on Talk Free. Coming straight to the question, you started your career as an employee and then became an employer. Was the transformation easy, tough, exciting, or fearful?
It was anything but not easy at all. Easy to tha hi nahi, to be very frank. It was a combination of tough, exciting, as well as fearful. Because the transformation or the change was absolutely different. Teaching to, students, syllabus same hua karte the, everything was
Correct.
same. Now all of a sudden you come to a different, absolutely different field where मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता था earrings क्या होते हैं, studs अलग होते हैं, झुमके अलग होते हैं, बैंगल्स के साइज होते हैं, नेकलेस, एंड देयर वाज सो मच ऑफ फियर. एक्साइटमेंट इसलिए था बिकॉज यू गेट टू सी टू डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ पीपल, डिजाइन्स, एंड every day was like a very difficult start. कैसे स्टार्ट करना है, कैसे कस्टमर से डील करनी है, कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं था.
Challenges across.
Yeah, it was a very big kind of a challenge because when you are teaching, students listen to you. मेरे को सबका नहीं पता, मेरे लिए तो वो सुनते थे क्लास में, एकदम अच्छे से सुनते थे. एंड यहाँ पे कोई नहीं सुनता. फीमेल्स वर देयर, ऑफिस में आते, एवरीथिंग यूज्ड टू बी डन, एंड देन उन लोग बोलते डिस्काउंट कुछ मिलेगा क्या, कुछ ऑफ मिलेगा क्या. सो एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी सॉर्ट ऑफ न्यू टू मी.
A complete different world probably.
Absolutely different world. कभी सुना नहीं, कभी इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, कभी जानता नहीं था.
What preparations do you think one should do to plunge into having their own business or setup?
First thing is, do not compare this with a job.
Okay.
It is just not right. Correct? You can't compare this with the job, a settled kind of a pay, settled kind of financials. आप उसको compare नहीं कर सकते.
Okay.
So the first preparation comes here. The first preparation comes here.
Mental
When you
preparation.
are about to, the first preparation is you need to first consider कि मुझे ये काम करना है.
Okay.
Understand this? ऐसा नहीं कि ये नहीं किया तो कुछ और कर लूंगा, फिर कुछ और कर लूंगा. This is the first thing which had come in my brain कि अब यही करना है. ऐसा
Okay.
नहीं कि 6 महीने बाद फिर चेंज करना पड़ा. Because I had to come here due to some kind of reasons. But उन सभी चीज को हटा के the first thing comes here. Absolutely, the first preparation is you are no more looking for fixed income.
Right.
A lot of people do not take that jump or do not take that leap thinking that they have that handsome fixed amount. Uska kya hoga?
Right.
And I am a very strong believer of Gita as well. I'll just say a beautiful kind of a line. Prarabdh is fixed. Prarabdh is fixed. Karma is not fixed. Karma
Right.
depends on what you do. Correct?
Right.
So
Correct, sir.
I am a very strong believer. So ये सोचना कि मेरे वहां पे जो अमाउंट थे वो यहाँ भी फिक्स होंगे, that is the biggest mistake you can absolutely do, and you will surely be a failure. तो उस चीज को तो हटा दीजिए आप, because शुरुआत में इनकम भी नहीं होना जो आपने सोचा है, प्लस विड्रॉल तो भूल जाओ, घर क्या ले जाएंगे भूल जाओ. You know what that part? Take away.
Yes.
What are you gonna take back home? You're actually not gonna take anything at home.
Anything.
कुछ भी नहीं ले जाएंगे. Yeah.
Pocket से
it's
निकालने
gonna be-
पड़ेंगे.
Exactly. I was
That's
about
the
to come to
investment
that
that we're
part.
doing.
Beautiful, Vijay. Ma'am, this is the first thing कि आपको हो सकता है कुछ अपने reserves निकालने पड़े. You need to
Correct.
dig deep. वो reserves
Right.
निकालना पड़ेगा.
Right.
अच्छा, the best part is जब आप खुद reserves निकालते हैं, the first thing which you do is you do a lot of R&D. क्योंकि आप
Right.
अपना पैसा है,
अपना
बॉस
पैसा
का
लग
पैसा
रहा
नहीं.
है.
अभी क्या है ना, बॉस का पैसा नहीं लग रहा है. So the first thing which you should do when you get into a business, do a beautiful R&D.
Okay.
Correct? ये भी समझ लीजिए, आप कितना भी R&D कर लीजिए, शुरू में कुछ पैसों का नुकसान होना है.
होगा ही
This
होगा.
is the way life is done. शुरू में
Right.
मैंने भी जो बैचेस पढ़ाए, शायद मुझे उतना ज्ञान नहीं था. But when you start teaching, when you start getting into this, you get a beautiful learning curve. Everything is a learning curve. So
Right.
you need to do a beautiful R&D. Plus, you need to dig deep. Next thing, what if this doesn't work? अगर आ गया ना mind पे, जो मैंने बोला शुरू पे, तो you will fail. There is no other way around, boss. I am being very straight, very candid. What if ये नहीं चला? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं सोच सकते, ये चलना होगा. Ratan Tata
Okay.
says it beautifully. You get into the act, you make a decision, and then make sure that that decision falls into place. Understand this? So yes,
Like it's
decision
said
was
that if
mine.
you have a goal, you might change the way, but don't change the goal.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Change the course of it. Right.
You have to change the course of action. कभी कभी नहीं, आज भी हमसे गलती होती है. मैं शुरुआती दौर पे दुकानों पे जाता, घूमता, क्योंकि मुझे कोई नहीं जानता था. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. मुझे कोई नहीं जानता था, मैंने
No, were you
बहुत
comfortable doing this? Like,
I was
were you
absolutely
in a
not
shell, or
comfortable.
you were in a shell? I know the kind of person you are. Like, doing this was not your cup of tea, but you came out of your comfort zone.
Yes, Preeti. I think you know me since a decade now. We go back a very
Yes,
long time,
long
and you
time.
know me. This was just not me. I had that air of attitude, that
Yes.
snootiness. But when you come down to business tells you, you need to step into someone else's shoes, figure it out कि कैसा है. You know what my father had asked me, ये सब काम मत करो, ये सब काम नहीं शोभा देता है, तुम सीए हो एंड ऑल. अब मेरे दिमाग में ये सब कुछ नहीं था. ना मैं सीए हूँ, ना मैं टीचर हूँ. मैं एक नॉर्मल बिजनेसमैन हूँ और मुझे बिजनेस चलाना है. आई कम डाउन वेरी स्ट्रेट. पापा गुस्सा करते, शाम को रात में घर जाते, ये देखो आज यहाँ चला गया इसके दुकान में, उसके दुकान में. मेरे दिमाग में कुछ भी नहीं था. So yes, very rightly mentioned, get out of your comfort zone. The fish has to survive not only in the water but outside the water. This is what business taught me. Correct? It's very easy to swim in the water for a fish, but for a fish to survive outside the water, it was really difficult. But by God's grace, I think I think the entire team did a very good job.
Well, sir, if someone enters into his family business, he is already getting a pre-set up business. How can one take it into new heights? Is there any challenges? What are the challenges that he faces? Is it different from the one who's starting from scratch?
Good kind of a question, considering what is happening today in India, especially when you're talking about nepotism. Correct?
Nepotism.
You know what? Everyone, हर दिन यही सुनने में आ रहा है, nepotism. So let me get this right first. This is not my father's business. Correct? This is not my father's business. My own father is in real estate. So the question of nepotism goes for a toss. Papa was never in this business. He's still into real estate. Now my elder brother, वो एक छोटा सा क्या रिटेल स्टोर करता था, and अभी भी उसकी वो रिटेल स्टोर है. And for me, when I was looking for options, there were two options. Either I joined my father's, real estate business, or I joined this. Father's business was easy in the sense setup था, जमीनें खरीदी भी थी, but issue ये था, बड़ा बाबू के पास जाओ, छोटा बाबू के पास जाओ, daily बड़ा बाबू, छोटा बाबू, बड़ा बाबू, छोटा बाबू. And my timing of entering into this business was coincidentally the same time when the ongoing government of West Bengal, which was running for an X number of years, fell down. Okay. So for us, I had to do everything right from the scratch. So I said, this is not happening, because क्या हुआ sir? Land rules, buying rules, real estate के जो rules थे ना, वो सारे change कर दिए गए. तो मैंने बोला भाई ये तो डेली एक ही काम कराता है. 6 months, this was my only job. बड़ा बाबू के पास जाओ, बड़ा बाबू के पास जाओ, बड़ा बाबू के पास जाओ, next department. So I said ये नहीं होगा. Then I thought of why not help my brother in this. Let's see. Investment भी कम लगेगा, शुरू करते हैं, इसके साथ help करते हैं. Now challenges at galore. You know what? Plethora of challenges. सारे जो rules थे, redundant, all obnoxious rules. मुनीम जैसे अकाउंट्स करते थे. You know what? डिजिटाइजेशन नहीं था. लैपटॉप्स, कंप्यूटर्स, जो भी रूल्स थे, सिस्टम्स थे, स्टाफ को भी उसी की आदत थी. भैया ऐसे ही करा रहा है इतने सालों से. तो मैंने आके देखा ये करेंगे कैसे बॉस, इतना अकाउंट्स कैसे करेंगे, ये पेपर पेन में लिखते हैं. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ लार्जर पिक्चर, you need to have a system, because what happens after a point of time, humans don't work, systems work. Humans can only supervise the system. Humans can't work. You need to have a beautiful rhythmic system which will work for you in your absence. So मैं आया, पता नहीं अलग ही सिस्टम चलता था. कुछ प्राइस कैसे निकालेंगे नहीं पता, कॉस्ट कैसे निकालेंगे नहीं पता, बट ठीक है इतने साल गाड़ी चल रही
और आई नीड टू इंटरप्ट
और-
ओवर हियर. एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर ये है कि यू आर नॉट अंडर नेपोटिज्म. वी नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट नेपोटिज्म. आप वो स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. आपने तो अपना बिजनेस फ्रेशली स्टार्ट किया है, सो यू स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. बट कुछ ऐसे लोग
Correct.
होते हैं जो लोगों को बसा बसाया बिजनेस मिलता है. अब उनको स्टैग्नेंट रखना तो इजी है. वो लोग कैसे नया हाइट में लेके जाए? आपके लिए 0 से 100 इज इजी. इजी मतलब यू टुक इट फ्रॉम 0 to 100. बाकी लोगों के लिए 50 to 100 कैसे लेके जाए?
मैंने शायद वही जवाब दिया मैम, क्योंकि जो 50 पे आता है ना उसके लिए
हाँ.
चैलेंजेस रहते हैं दी सिस्टम्स व्हिच आर एट प्लेस. ही हैज टू
Okay.
चेंज द एंटायर सिस्टम,
System.
क्योंकि you are coming all of a sudden and you see your entire staff, rules, mechanics are all old.
Okay.
Now you are looking to scale this up. How do you
Okay.
do that? Scaling
Okay.
only comes when you get to new systems, because
Okay.
दिन के अगर आप 12 घंटा अकाउंट्स में लगाओगे, अनप्रोडक्टिव वर्क पे लगाओगे, तो आप अपडेट कैसे करेंगे, स्केलिंग कैसे करेंगे, नया चीज
Correct.
कैसे करेंगे, नए मार्केट को कैसे एक्सप्लोर करेंगे.
एक्सप्लोर करेंगे.
करेक्ट. तो आपके
Correct.
जो आपका जो स्टाफ 4 स्टाफ या 5 स्टाफ जो ऐसा काम कर रहा है जिसकी कोई एक्चुअली दरकार नहीं है, यू विल स्टार्ट यू नो व्हाट रिलीजिंग दोस स्टाफ कि तुम ये संभालो या ये संभालो. तो शुरू में यही होता है. वंस यू कम डाउन यू सी कि ये बंदा ये क्यों कर रहा है 8 घंटा.
एंड सर ऐसे लोगों को आप नहीं निकाल सकते हो बिकॉज आप पुराने एम्प्लॉइज है एंड उनको समझाने जाओ तो आप छोटे पड़ जाते हो. तो आप
क्योंकि वो सब ने क्या किया है, बड़ा बाबू के साथ काम किया है.
Exactly,
अभी छोटा
exactly.
बाबू कुछ बोलेगा तो छोटा बाबू कुछ भी बोलेगा अगर, तो वो यू नो दैट विल हर्ट हिम कि
Yes.
कि भाई मेरे को तो नहीं बोला बड़ा बाबू आज तक 20 साल 25 साल में कुछ
right,
नहीं
right,
बोला,
right.
आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हो. तो यू नो व्हाट देयर कम्स मैन मैनेजमेंट.
Right.
You know, there comes a man management.
management.
Sachin said a very beautiful thing. You know what? You don't teach me how to play. You teach me, you know, how to manage. You teach me how to get, you know, those fine small mistakes or errors. You know, you basically don't teach Roger or Sachin की कैसे खेलना है, forehand कैसे करना है, back वो नहीं सिखा सकते उनको. The entire game of business is all about man management and how do you manage your resources. Because understand, every individual has some unique talent. Correct. आपको उसी resources को use करना है. मेरे फादर एक ही चीज बोलते हैं, इट्स वेरी इजी टू फायर समवन. तुम अगर बोलोगे मेरे को तो मैं 1 सेकंड में निकाल दूंगा, दैट्स ओके, बट हाउ डू यू गोना रन हिज फैमिली, दैट्स पार्ट 1. पार्ट 2, फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज हिज यूएसपी, यूज दैट रादर देन यू नो क्रिबिंग अबाउट इट. क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि वो शायद हमारा बात नहीं समझता, क्योंकि हम जिन लोगों के साथ काम करते हुए आ रहे हैं वो सारे के सारे क्या बोले आपको मैम, प्रोफेशनल है, समझते हैं. ये नहीं समझते, लेकिन ये आपके साथ लॉयल हैं, सालों से हैं, तो आपको इनको बैठा के समझाना है, सिस्टम सिखाना है. एंड मैम, इन माय 5 years I am yet to leave a single old guard. I have not yet left, and I'm sure I'm not going to leave this. Even during this pandemic, we have decided it very straight. No, you can't do this.
You have been both employer and an employee. So can you please shed some light? What are the pros and cons of being an employee and an employer?
Okay, let me start with the employee part first.
Okay.
And especially, the kind of thing where I was in. I was, what kind of a professor teaching huge multiple batches with huge audience. So pros, audience was fixed. मुझे कभी नहीं खोजना पड़ता था स्टूडेंट्स कहाँ से आएंगे, कैसे आएंगे. स्टूडेंट्स वर देयर, करेक्ट. क्लासेस भी हो रही हैं, सेम चीज पढ़ाना है. आफ्टर एन X kind of a time, you don't need to do R&D over what are you going to teach, because it's like all flowy. It's like they're in rhythmic way में अपने आप आ जाता था सब कुछ.
Correct.
Cons, you are teaching the same thing every single day. I must have taught mercantile laws for CPT batch around 187 times.
My
So
God.
teaching the same thing 187 times was monotonous, tedious. Beyond a point of time, you started not to like this. क्योंकि कुछ change नहीं होता. Everything was same. And the worst part was you were judged by a bunch of people who had just cleared class 12. बुरा नहीं मानना, but people those who have just cleared class 12 were judging a chartered accountant. कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता था that you were not in a mood to teach, या you know घर में कुछ problem हुए हैं या कोई अच्छा नहीं लग रहा तबीयत, and maybe it is the second class of the batch, और शायद आपने ठीक से नहीं पढ़ाया, maybe सीधा रिव्यू चला जाएगा कि शरद सर इज नॉट गुड, चेंज कर दीजिए इनको, प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है समझने में. One fine day it did even happen to me after teaching around 86 87 kind of batches, lectures लेने के बाद I get a review 1 out of 5 कि सर मजा नहीं आया, रिव्यू अच्छा नहीं है. मैंने सोचा the standard of deviation, the standard of risk is too much, especially from people those who have no clue what's in store for them. So these were those kind of cons. Plus salary or the income did not grow exponentially. Preeti ma'am too knows about this. हम लोग बैठ के भी बहुत बात करते थे. And especially मैं ही इकट्ठा करता था लोगों को, देखो बॉस इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं, पढ़ा रहे, इसका क्या करें. So yes, these are the basic cons of being an employee. आप हमेशा सोचते हो कब increment होगी, कब increase होगा, कैसे you try to find out ways. Now as an employer, those cons become your pros. Income is surreal. There is no kind of a limit of income. कुछ भी income हो सकता है, कुछ भी profits हो सकता है. One fine day you get an export order, क्या महीने भर का जो income नहीं हुआ वो एक दिन में हो जाता है. Right. These are beautiful kind of pros in business because you don't know कि what's in store for you. कौन आएगा, कब आएगा, कुछ नहीं पता. One fine day at 3 a.m. you get a call from Canada or from US. Sir, ये चाहिए. Quantity is like huge. Order is huge. So you feel, wow, I'm in the right place. Now, employer के cons. You first start believing in God. As an employee, आपको ऐसा लगता है सब कुछ फिक्स है, कुछ मेहनत ही नहीं करना है, बस आपको जाना है, पढ़ाना है, आ जाना है. But now when you come down into business, every day is a hustle. You start believing in God. You start understanding the importance of every single day. Every single client is important. आज वो retailer, कल शायद wholesaler बन जाए. हर किसी से अच्छे से बात करना, हर किसी को समझाना. Every individual is different. You are no more teaching. Understand this. You are no more teaching. You are not selling a product. You are selling your services. It's after sales services. कैसे questions आएंगे? Everyone has different kind of questions. आपने कभी questions सुने ही नहीं life में. These were very basic. These are basic kind of challenges for an employer. For instance, what right now, COVID times. किसी ने नहीं सोचा था. हमारे लिए तो, especially हमारे लिए, it was like marriage kind of a season. March, April, May, June. शादियां होती हैं. All everyone was prepared कि ये बनाना है, ऐसे बनाना है, इसको बेचना है. But ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. बिजनेस में आप आएंगे, आपको सब हर दिन every single day is new. Every single day is new. कल क्या कमाया छोड़ दीजिए, कल किसको बेचा छोड़ दीजिए, वापस आज नया करना है. फिक्स सिलेबस नहीं है, फिक्स क्वेश्चंस नहीं है, फिक्स आंसर्स नहीं है. Every different individual here has different kind of an issue. पॉलिश को लेके, डिजाइन को लेके, क्रिएटिविटी को लेके. All said and done, I guess both the things have their own pros and cons. Again, what is important is here, how do you use this all the time, especially when employer वाले position पे बहुत समय ऐसा आता है when the things are just not in your favor. It's just not in your favor. else?
You know, when there is too many cons for an employee, he can quit his job, but for an employer, he just cannot leave his business.
He cannot leave his business. Yes, of
Right.
course, because you don't understand this. अगर उसने अपनी business छोड़ी तो उसके साथ बहुत सारे लोग interconnected हैं.
Correct.
बहुत interconnected हैं. अगर मैंने business छोड़ा, debtors, creditors, lot of employees, बहुत सारे families, बहुत सारे कारीगर्स, factories. It's like
Right.
absolutely interconnected. It's a never-ending game.
It's
But,
a cycle. So this is the way
yes,
the
it
economy
is.
works.
It is a cycle. People are absolutely dependent on you. मेरे पीछे कितने लोग हैं, मेरे आगे कितने लोग हैं. बहुत लोग हैं जो मेरे से कुछ मेरे से मांग रहे हैं. मैं हूं बहुत लोगों के पीछे, मैं मांग रहा हूं. So yes, it's a huge cycle and you cannot change the person in one fine day.
Right.
एम्प्लॉई में इट्स इजी. आपने नोटिस दे दिया कि मेरे को बैच खत्म करके जाना है, वो आपको नहीं रोक सकता. यहाँ पे आपके यहाँ पे आपके क्या बोले सर, माथे में ये सोच ही नहीं आ सकती कि मेरे को नहीं करना ये.
नहीं करना.
It is gonna be really difficult. Yes.
Well, Sharad sir, like in this pandemic, who do you think is suffering? The employer who has to shed out money even when no work is being done. Like there are so many industries where people are sitting at home, work from home का option ही नहीं है. Or the employees who has to take pay cuts.
मुझे I was sure कि ये क्वेश्चन आने वाला है. I was very sure कि ये कुछ ना कुछ मुझे इस क्वेश्चन में फंसा लिया जाएगा कि कौन ज्यादा.
Typically my question.
I was so sure कि ऐसा ही कुछ difficult question आएगा और मुझको it's like a catch-22 kind of a situation. एम्प्लॉय के तरफ से बोलूं तो मरूं, अभी एम्प्लॉयर के तरफ से बोलूं तो लोग बोलेंगे ही इज बिकमिंग पार्शियल, खुद काम करता है, अभी बिजनेस करता है, इसीलिए इसको लगता है इसी का नुकसान है. बट आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, समझने की कोशिश करना. I belong to a very non-essential commodity thing. Jewelry is the last segment, non-essential. किसी को नहीं चाहिए, correct? Gatherings नहीं हो रही हैं, kitty parties नहीं हो रहे हैं, functions नहीं हैं, शादियां नहीं हैं, राखी तक नहीं है, functions नहीं, house party नहीं है, get together नहीं है, jewelry कौन लेगा? किसी को चाहिए ही नहीं, किसी को भी नहीं चाहिए jewelry. I can speak on my part right now.
और मास्क पहनना होता है तो ज्वेलरी तो और भी काम नहीं है.
Exactly.
So yeah, मुझे किसी ने ये बात बोला था, करेक्ट. पता है नेकलेस कौन लेगा शरद सर आपसे? Yeah, that was a beautiful thing to came to me. And मैंने सोचा नहीं, अरे हाँ यार नेकलेस कौन लेगा? If someone is gonna be wearing a mask here, नेकलेस तो दिखेगा ही नहीं. So मैंने बोला ठीक है यार, इयररिंग्स तो ले लेंगे लोग, टीका ले लेंगे, कुछ तो लेंगे.
Even with that earrings, like those heavy earrings will not work.
अरे कुछ तो ले लो यार, कुछ तो हाँ भर दो, क्या टीका ही पहनेंगे क्या? So अंगूठी या टीका. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है. Situation was really difficult. What we are facing through right now is unprecedented. किसी को solution नहीं पता, किसी ने ये चीजें नहीं देखी कभी. मैंने आपने क्या सर, मेरे फादर ने क्या, ग्रैंडफादर ने भी नहीं देखा ये सिचुएशन. So no one has a solution to it. Now coming to your question, who is at a major loss? Now let's be very frank. Employee के पास एक ही नुकसान हो रहा है employee को, that's a pay cut.
Correct.
He has to run his family. Take me very honestly, and I'm being very candid. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं अगर उसके जगह पे हूं या नहीं हूं. For an employer, he has to run the shows on both the ends. Both the ends.
Correct.
उसको उसका भी घर चलाना है, अपना भी घर चलाना है, और उसको कारीगर को भी देखना है जिनकी फैक्ट्रियां नहीं बंद हो जाए. काम करने वाले जो लोग उसके पीछे हैं, जिनको ऑर्डर दिया हुआ है, वो नहीं बंद हो जाए. सिचुएशन ऐसा था मैम कि मुझे एक सर कारीगर ने फोन किया, बोला सर आप पेमेंट नहीं दे पा रहे ठीक से माल के लिए, घर में आ जाऊं क्या मैं आपके घर पे? अगर काम करूंगा उसके लिए तो पैसा देंगे, বাড়িতে আসবো, বাড়ির জন্য কাজ করব তো টাকা দেবেন. So as an employer I had to hear all these things. As an employee, let's be very straight. अगर कोई अच्छा एम्प्लॉयर है ना, उसने एम्प्लॉय की पे कट मैक्सिमम 20 से 25% काटी होगी. किसी ने भी 50, 60, 70% नहीं काटा अगर वो अच्छा एम्प्लॉयर है. माइंड इट. मन में आ गया आपको नहीं देना है, तब तक अलग ही इश्यू है, आपने उसको कुछ भी एक्सक्यूज बना दिया, हम नहीं देगा। बट जो लोग आपके साथ सालों से काम कर रहे हैं, पीपल दोज हु हैव कंट्रीब्यूटेड सो दैट यू हैव एन एम्पायर, आप नहीं काट सकते सर। आप ऑन ह्यूमैनिटेरियन भी ग्राउंड्स 100 रुपए के बदले उसको 75 दे सकते हैं, लेट्स अज्यूम। बट फॉर एन एम्प्लॉयर, he has to run his show, their show as well as कारीगर्स थिंग, प्लस उसके जो दिमाग में चल रहा है, करंट स्टॉक का क्या करूंगा, इन्वेंट्री इतनी पड़ी है, मार्केट जैसे खुलेगा ये इन्वेंट्री पुरानी हो जाएगी, करेक्ट? कस्टमर बोलेगा नया क्या है आपके पास? yes, this is what I will face and people of my industry will face, because मैं अगर कोई चीज आज निकाला हूं और अगर 6 महीना नहीं दिखाता हूं तो 6 महीने के बाद वो पुराना हो जाएगा।
right.
तो सर करंट स्टॉक का क्या करेंगे, डेटर्स का क्या करेंगे? I am, please understand this, मैं एक ऐसे प्रोफेशन से आता हूं जहां पे फीस was received in advance. Preeti ma'am knows this very well, even Ayushi knows this very well.
Yes,
now
yes.
you are in this industry जहां आपको अपने पैसे के लिए एक बार नहीं मल्टीपल टाइम्स कॉल करना पड़ता है, सर कुछ मिलेगा क्या, कुछ मिलेगा क्या? एंड सच बताऊं तो पैसे नहीं मिल रहे, ठीक है? सबके पास अपना अपना दुख है, सबके पास अपना अपना गम है, एंड वी श्योरली अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग।
Correct.
If you have to weigh this, you know what, थोड़ा ऊपर थोड़ा नीचे, ask an employee, he's still happy than an employer. That's what I feel, that's in my opinion. You go and ask any employee, वो यही बोलेगा 10,000 के बदले बाबू मेरे को 7,000 दिया। But you go and ask an employer, क्या उसने लास्ट 4 महीना से अपने घर के लिए कुछ भी विड्रॉ किया क्या? No. He is using his savings and there has been a massive erosion of capital. If he has to make his business survive, either he has to inject more capital, and now if he has to inject more capital, he has to take loan, or I have no idea क्या करेंगे लोग, देखते हैं, because it's still, you know what, अभी भी 2-3 महीने बाकी है, but I feel आप कोई भी employee से पूछिए, he's still in a better position than an employer.
What ideas or suggestions you want to give our viewers who want to have their own business but are unable to take that leap of faith, or are say impatient with the result and they want instant success?
दिल से बोलता हूँ, there is a beautiful kind of a book written by our own, you know, Preeti ma'am, No Stopping You, correct? Now Preeti ma'am has a beautiful chapter है, लोग क्या कहेंगे। ये लोग क्या कहेंगे,
that you read that book. I am really glad that you have read it.
लोग क्या कहेंगे has killed many dreams then your trials have done it. Yes, it's a fact. मेरे साथ same situation मैम, सीए है, मारवाड़ी है, चार्ट अकाउंटेंट कर लियो है, सीएस कर लियो है, ज्वेलरी बेचना था, बड़ा बाजारी जाना था, तो इतना पढ़ाई क्यों किया? You know what, शुरू में तो you know I used to be under a severe state of depression. पहला 1-2 महीना तो मैं घर जाता, सिसक के रोता, यस मैम, एकदम मैं घर पे जाता, अकेले बैठता रूम पे, लोग क्या कहेंगे, मॉम एंड डैड वर नॉट हैप्पी, सॉर्ट ऑफ हैप्पी, कि पता नहीं ये क्यों ऐसा कर रहा है, पढ़ा लो, अपना कुछ कर लो, नौकरी कर लो और कुछ कर लो। तो ये जो है ना, ये कहानी जो लोग क्या कहेंगे, ये लोग क्या कहेंगे disallows you to take that leap. Yes, it stops you, it prevents you, because constantly you are at fight, constantly you are at conflict कि करूं या नहीं करूं, लोग ऐसा बोलेंगे, लोग वैसा बोलेंगे, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, मुझे ये चीज शोभा नहीं देती, मैं क्वालिफाइड हूं। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सर। Education plays a very vital role. My father taught me education is the most intangible effect you can have all your life. Education with a beautiful touch of humanity can take you to wonders. Understand this. You don't need to be sympathetic towards people. Sympathy नहीं चाहिए, empathy चाहिए। Client का बात समझिए, client को समझिए, or education is your backbone. It's that spine which keeps you steadfast. Always remember, even in the time of crisis, education holds you. जरूरी नहीं है पैसा आज मिल रहा है कल मिले, जरूरी नहीं आज जो प्रॉफिट हुआ कल मिलेगा, बट जो चीज सीखी है अगर उसको अप्लाई करना आ गया तो बहुत सुंदर होगा. एंड रिमेंबर विद अ टच ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी. सो पीपल those who are yet to take that, you know what kind of a jump, या जिनको डर लगता है, कर लो. लोग क्या कहेंगे वो कुछ नहीं कहेंगे. जब तुम सक्सेसफुल हो जाओगे वो तब ये बोलेंगे, अरे मैं तो इसको जानता था, I knew him बहुत साल पहले भी यार, I knew ये कुछ अच्छा कर लेगा. तो ठीक है, sit down, try doing it. कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता. आप ये सोच लो कि करना है, अच्छे से करना है, और लोग क्या बोलेंगे. मेरे को तो सबसे बड़ी जो सबसे बड़ी मेरी लाइफ में जो मुश्किल आई वो यही थी कि क्या करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, you know what, लोग क्या कहेंगे. And people, those who have not yet taken that kind of a leap, do it guys. There's no stopping you. As you know, as Preeti ma'am says, you know, there is limitless, you know, limitless nahi sir, I'll say itni opportunities hai when you do things on your own way, you can't even imagine. You just need to just sit down and do it, and nothing else. No one can stop you. It's a fact. No one can stop you. आपको अपना कर्म करना है, and anything else. और बोलिए मैम.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for such wonderful, insights. What we know is business, a whole new idea and concept. And I was engrossed in the entire session, and I'm hoping that so will our viewers. So thank you so much for being part of.
If I can add something,
Yes.
if I can add something,
Sure, sir.
that can help. लोगों ने बोला ना कि education's importance. When I started doing this, जो लोग मेरे साथ काम करते थे, जो लोग मैन्युफैक्चरर भी थे, या जो लोग मेरे से ऊपर के एक थे ना, यू नो, लेवल में, फॉरवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन में, they really looked upon me with respect. Plus my ideas, my thoughts were always different from theirs, always, क्योंकि they were following the same path, and I was thinking कि कुछ और better कर सकते हैं,
पर education से mind open हो जाता है.
Yes, absolutely, because you try to, you know, find out different ways कि यार ये ऐसे किया जा सकता है, ये वैसे किया जा सकता है. Why not take a try? Why not you not sit with those people, make them understand? And मेरा तो यही कहना है, जो लोग सच में आज भी इस, many people, those who are listening this or will listen this ever, is give a shot. और कुछ नहीं करना है आपको. You will have to, you know, figure it out कि ठीक है यार, 2-4 महीना, 6 महीना, 1 साल, 2 साल तकलीफ होगी, but the doors will open for you. It will open for you. You'll have to, you know, persevere. Perseverance is the important thing, because in this world, survival of the fittest का जो है ना बात, correct, people only survive those who try. So you need to try, you need to give a shot without thinking what the others will think. उनका काम है सोचना, उनको सोचने दो, आप please अपना काम करो.
Exactly.
Thank you.
So keep your attention focused entirely on what is truly your own concern, and be clear that what belongs to others is their business and none of yours. And if you have a dream, dare to fulfill it.
Absolutely.
Well, viewers, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Talk Free, FB page Talk Free. Follow us on Instagram Talk_Free_ and Twitter Talk_Free6.
Well, viewers, see you next Friday with a fresh new topic. Until then, this is AM, PM, and Sharad Nakhat signing off.
And till
Thank
then,
you.
Talk Free.